Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to order a new pair of prescription safety glasses from RX Safety. Once you have a frame picked out, click Select Prescription Lenses to start your order. First, select your prescription lens type. We offer single vision, digital single vision, lined bifocals, progressive bifocals, and non-prescription for those of you out there who just want safety glasses with customized lenses. If you'd like to learn more about any of these lenses, click one of the question marks on the left-hand side for more information. On the next screen, enter your prescription information or upload a file with that information. Make sure this section is filled out thoroughly before continuing. On the next screen, select your lens material. We offer several high-quality materials that you may need, like polycarbonate, Trivex, high-index plastic, or standard glass. Each one has a different level of safety, clarity, and dexterity, so make sure you learn about each one so you can choose the right one for your needs. Then let's head over to the lens color section. Here, you can choose between clear, blue blocking, sunglasses tints, transitions, and specialty tints like IR 3.0 and Halo nighttime driving glasses. And on the last page, you can add mirror coatings, anti-scratch, anti-fog, or anti-reflective coatings to your lenses. Once you've completed all the customization steps, leave any questions you may have, review your order, check out, and we'll get started right away on your new pair of glasses.